Hey guys, welcome back to part 5 of the Static Sketchbook series 4. Hope you like this dreamy piece. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
walking out of time. looking for a better place. Something's on my mind, always in my head.